Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Timothy Dingle, and I wanted to give you a demo on story writing and how ChatGPT can help you. Now, I know a lot of people aren't a fan of ChatGPT, but watch this. All right, so here I have the HR service workbook open. What I'm going to do is I'm going to utilize the HR service and the general tab. I'm going to put it over here into ChatGPT. The only catch to this is that you do need to upgrade your subscription to the ChatGPT Plus. What you'll get is these menus over here. And what you'll do is you go to explore GPTs and you come over here and you create a GPT. Now, for me, I've already written a couple. So this is the form that will pop up. Okay. What you can do is you can write a blurb and tell ChatGPT what you want it to do. So anytime you put something in ChatGPT under this GPT, it'll always apply this to it. Okay, so you don't have to tell it how to write a story every single time, but you can define it, right? And so as a, I want so that, and then you're telling it like the paragraphs that you want, right? We have the COE category and detail. You want an acceptance criteria paragraph, and I have it start with this. Okay, and you go down, and then you will have your technical approach as well. I want to start with this, and then you're just telling it that I want these three sections. If you're unclear about anything, ask me a question. And so, what I'm going to do is I'm coming over here to the HR service, and I'm going to copy that information, and I'm going to put it in ChatGPT. Now, what I'm also going to do is grab the general tab information. And this will work for the record producer as well. So if you have any fields that you want to add, it'll capture that as well. So we'll paste that as well. And then when you hit enter, it will start to build your story. So you can put the narrative in the scope and the description and see it captures everything. What you'll have to do is you'll go through it and just make sure that it's capturing everything appropriately. But the whole so what of this is that way the story is written in a way that the client can read it. They should understand it. If they have any questions, obviously they'll ask, but it outlines everything. It takes all the guesswork out of it. It looks professional, and they can approve it faster. Now, us as the developers, we have the workbook. Clearly, I just copied from it, right? So we have all the configurations that we need. We don't need the story to tell us what to do. The story is more so for the client, so that way they can bless off on it, and hopefully we get the process moved along faster. Well, guys, there you go. If there's a tool out there that can help me work more efficient, I'm all about it. And all I can do is just share my knowledge with you guys. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. I hope this helps somebody. Until next time, take care.